in F1. Today's story is called Duck in a Truck by Jez Alborough. This story has got lots and lots of rhyming words in it. I wonder if you could spot any at home. This is the duck driving home in the truck, and this is the track that is taking him back. And this is the rock struck by the truck, and this is the muck where the duck becomes stuck. Oh dear, poor duck. And these are the feet that jump the duck down into the muck, all yucky and brown. And this is the frog who spies from a bush and croaks, "I'll help you, give it a push." And this is the push of a frog and a duck, and this is the truck that is still stuck. Oh dear. This is the sheep driving home in his Jeep. "Get out of the way," he yells with a beep. And this is the quack of an angry duck. "I can't," he snaps, "my truck is stuck." This is the quiet as they think what to do. "Got it," croaks frog, "sheep can push too." So we've got duck, frog and sheep are going to push the truck. That's 3 friends trying to push the truck. And this is the schlep and the squelch and the suck as the sheep step slowly through the muck. This is the push of a sheep, a frog and a duck. And this is the truck that is still stuck. You see how hard they're pushing? And it's still stuck in the mud. This is the happy, sleepy goat, relaxing in his motorboat. And this is the ear that hears them shout, "My truck's in the muck and it won't come out." This is the rope, and here's Goat's plan: to tie a knot as tight as they can. So he's got his motorboat and they're going to tie a rope to the truck to help pull it out. And this is the push at the rear once again. This is the pull as the boat takes the strain. Can you see? These are the wheels finally gripping, and this is the knot that is suddenly slipping. Oh no, what's happened here? This is the truck with the engine on fast, back on the track, unstuck at last. You can see the duck's not stuck, but what has happened to his friends? This is the duck driving home in his truck, leaving the frog and the sheep and the goat stuck in the muck. Oh dear, now they're stuck. The end.